mukbang videos, but it is too good. Okay, making more mukbang. So I feel like this game is very fun. And you can steal food from people, but I'm just gonna stand in front of him. Let me, while he's gone, I'm gonna take a piece of food. Okay, green sauce. What is it to take? Ooh. What is it to eat? McDonald's. I'm stealing. Now, why is my mouth so? I'm just got watery. Black bean and no bean. Okay. What can I eat now? I can't even get any. How do you open these blinds? Oh, I see people eating here. People eating. Hey, I'm eating right now. Burrito drippings. Yes. Guys, this is my room. I can eat as much food as I can in here. Place the order. I can eat as much food as I can in here. And you can probably see I'm eating everything. I don't know why I'm so obsessed. It's eating everything together. We're ordering more stuff. We're ordering drinks. We're ordering cola. Oh, can you get that cola? Okay. And we're ordering another. Yeah, I think that's it. We're ordering. Now I can eat by myself without having anyone. I'm steal my food because I want to vividly. I can steal other people's food, which I do not want. I'm really gonna be. Oh, I have a private room now. As there was an option to do so. Okay. Salad chicken. Salad chicken. Cheese. More cheese. Nobody's taking my cheesy snow chicken. Why is it so crunchy? Let's see what we can eat from this. I ain't eating no healthy. I'm not a vegan. No one should become a vegan. That's what people want to. Yeah, I can do what you want. I'm vegan. I assure you now, no one needs to become a vegan. I assure you now, no one needs to become a vegan. All my days, I'm only eating all the chicken I can see. Four down, 2 more to go. Low key, this is good. I candied this chicken. Boom, 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 boom. Flaming hot chicken. There's food. Okay, we devoured everything. We emptied our plate. Spicy honey chicken. forgot to finish my honey soy. Diamond. I really need to clean our table. Clean the table, yes. Make space. One of my friends haven't called me the whole day. I haven't called like one of my friends at all. In the I'm stranded video. I'm stranded video. I was the only friend who called me today. And those calls are only for like seconds. And he hasn't called me since. I was like, in the morning, he only says like you can only call at 10 o'clock. I can only like start calling at 10 o'clock. Or from 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock more. We're eating spicy, too spicy. Spicy, too spicy. What's that spicy cause? Chicken tenders. Okay, now we're gonna order even more. We're ordering carbonara and dumplings and eggs. This is like 7. We're eating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is actually making me hungry. I'm not lying. The way those two that is actually satisfying. Okay, we ate everything. Now we're ordering even more. We ordered ramen. I haven't drank so long. I need to order a lot of colas. At least 5 colas. And I have 5 drinks. Guys, drink water. Please drink your water. Very good for you unless you are sacrificed tomorrow. So I mustn't eat anything. Just drink anything. Until o'clock. Okay. Until o'clock. Well, games based on true crimes. I watched that after this video. I'm scared of my storage space because I'm doing this and I'm thinking about my storage space because I'm scared of my storage space might be full and I won't be able to make videos and make Roblox videos for you guys anymore. Oh my days. I think I had too much coke. Ugh. Okay, now let's have snacks. Let's have a lot of corn dogs. 3, 4, 5, 6 corn dogs. Let's have more. Let's have way more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 7. 13 corn dogs. 13 corn dogs. I might genuinely become fatter. Genuinely. Like, genuinely. This is not safe. Guys, don't eat this much in your life. It's very bad for you. Don't eat this much in your life. Like, genuinely, it is going to kill you. Like, I'm being very serious about this. I'm being very serious about this. Do not, and I mean do not, try this at home. Don't try all of this. Even though it looks delicious, do not eat this much. Even though it looks nice, it is not what you think it is. It will genuinely make you fat. No, I mean, if you want to be fat, then you can be fat. I'm genuinely telling you right now. Do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. And I mean do not try this at home. Do not eat this much. Because it will actually kill you. Like, don't eat too much or else you'll be fat. But don't be too fat. Because being too fat might kill you. I'm just doing this for the con. I'm doing this in Roblox sense. Because now I learned from this video that you should not eat this much. And you should eat healthy. You should eat very healthy. You should eat healthy food. Only like once in a month you should eat fast food. Only once in a month. Like nowadays, I have stopped asking for fast food. My mom says I eat too much fast food. Okay, I know I've done that, but I learned that I should not do this much eating. In the real Verity mod. Why is everybody all over Verity, bro? All over Verity. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna drink my water. Guys, I finished with my water. I think I drank my water too quickly. That is.
Just smaller than sips. So you know you're drinking a lot of water every day. It's not right. Make sure it's
I think I'm about to disconnect. Cause the things are coming up. Oh no. I don't have to restart the whole video from scratch. Guys, I think the max amount of hot dogs we can eat is more than this. It's like emptying this thing. So this video is just make a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. I haven't made a lot of videos for like 20 minutes. Oh my god. Alright guys, make sure to do this. It's now a tradition here. If you're new to this channel, it's a tradition here for me. Whenever it's the end of the video, so whenever we end the video, we play Fiend. Okay, I'm joking. I'm not Harrison. Harrison, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. It's just a troll. It's a tradition here. Whenever I end this video, I do like and sub. Like and sub. Guys, I'll be right back. But anyways.